Hello friends, welcome. So in this video, we will try to understand what is a lambda expressions first. See, lambda expression is a new feature arrived in Java 8, so which will be used for representing the functional programming. Right? The functional programming in Java is represented with lambda expressions. So first of all, we'll try to look at what exactly is a lambda expression. So a lambda expression is an anonymous method or anonymous function which doesn't have any return type, access modifier and method name. So if any method which doesn't have any return type, access modifier and method name, then it is simply a lambda expression in Java. Let us try to understand this in more detail. I'll take one simple normal method, right? Public void display. So here system.out.println hello. So in this method we have the access modifier, we have a return type and we have the method name, and this is the body. So this is the usual representation of a method. So now we will try to convert this into a lambda expression. So as per our definition, say the method doesn't have any return type, which doesn't have any access modifier and which doesn't have any method name. So if I remove all these, so the leftover part is this one. So this is my leftover part. So to make it as a proper lambda expression syntax, so your parameters, so this parameters is separated with an arrow. So this is a representation, right? So this is simply a lambda expression representation. So we can even refine this in a more appropriate way. So as per the lambda expression syntax, right, as per this, say if there is only one statement, right, if there is only one statement in the block or in the method, then no need of this parenthesis. We can simply write just the statement itself. So the above code is converted into in this way. This is the equivalent lambda expression for this method. Let us take one more example. Say public int add int a comma int b return a plus b. Now in this method, it is taking two integer values and returning the sum of two integer values. Now we will try to convert this into a lambda expression. As we know, the lambda expression doesn't have any access modifiers, doesn't have any return type and doesn't have any name. So the equivalent, right? So the equivalent expression of this is this one, and to have a proper syntax, it is arrow. And also as per the above syntax, we understood that if there is only one statement, even parenthesis is also not required. You can just represent like this. So this is the equivalent lambda expression. This can be further refined. So as per the lambda expression syntax, for the input parameters, data type is not required. So here int a and int b is not required. We can simply represent that a, b, right? Just number of parameters is sufficient. And also in the method body or in the expression body, if there is only one statement and that statement itself is a return statement, then no need of return keyword. We can just represent the value, return value. So we can represent the above method in this simpler format. So this is the equivalent lambda expression for this particular method, right? So like this, we can convert our methods into the lambda expressions. So we'll see why do we need the lambda expressions and where to use this in the upcoming videos. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.